Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to convert your video ads into playables. It's all done in a few simple steps. So first up, you'll want to choose your ad creative. Here I have some top performing ad creatives from the game Royal Kingdom. I'm going to pick the one that's 6.1 megabytes. Once I upload it, the video gets automatically compressed. This compression is necessary because ad networks that support playables require the file size to be under 5 megabytes. Don't worry about quality. Our tool compresses the video while maintaining its quality. We've developed this free tool to help UA teams that may not have the resources or bandwidth to create playables. It allows you to quickly convert video ads into HTML embeds, ready for playable ad networks. This tool gives you access to premium playable inventory on 2 ad networks, AppLovin and Mintegral. Next, you'll need to select your ad network. In this demo, I'm choosing both. The third step is to pick your CTA button. We offer a couple of default CTA buttons and styles, but you can also customize yours. For this video, I'll go with the download option and choose the white CTA button colorway. Next, you'll set up your App Store URL. Here, I'll grab the URL for Royal Kingdom and paste it right here. With just one click, your playable is generated. You can see the entire HTML video embed code, which you can copy to create a file and upload to the ad network, or you can download it directly for AppLovin or Mintegral. Now, this is what the preview looks like. As you can see, it's incredibly simple. In just a few clicks, your video ads are converted to be compatible with playable inventory. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Cheers.